Ladies and gentlemen, Notion and Google Keep are both amazing note-taking apps. However, which one should you be using? Alright, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given. You can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. Alright, so looking at Google Keep now, Google Keep stands out as a versatile note-taking solution with very impressive functionality that integrates seamlessly across the Google ecosystem. It's a very lightweight design which prioritizes speed and accessibility while offering powerful organizational tools. Some of the features include the quick capture. So this allows you to create notes in multiple formats, including plain text, checklists, images, and voice recordings, which is perfect for capturing ideas on the go in whatever format you need to do it in. You can also work seamlessly with Google Drive for storage, Gmail for saving emails as notes, and Google Calendar for synchronizing your reminders. It also has a visual organization system. So it has color code notes for visual categorization and the ability to add labels to create a customized organizational system that fits within your workflow. It also features smart reminders, so you can actually set location-based alerts that trigger when arriving at specific places, or even schedule time-based reminders for future tasks. Google Keep usability and accessibility includes their streamlined interface, which emphasizes speed and simplicity, as I mentioned before, making it an exceptional platform that is accessible across all major systems. The thoughtful design enables frictionless note capturing, and this is regardless of the device that you're using. It is also consistent with its experience across Android, iOS, and web platforms with real-time synchronization, and it has a one-tap note creation on Android devices through the home screen widget, which allows you the quick access. It also has collaborative features which allow sharing notes with family members, colleagues, friends, or whoever you would like. And it has multiple input methods, including typing, voice memos, a doodle tool, which is great for sketching your ideas if you're one of those visual thinkers. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.